video, we will be looking at how to save changes to reports and layouts. Before making changes in Report Designer, it is good practice to save a copy of the layout. This will allow you to keep the original file in a safe state until you are happy to replace it with a newer version. To save a copy of the layout, navigate to File and Save As. Change the path at the top to save the layout in either your company folder for files relating to specific companies or the custom folder for files relating to all your Sage 200 companies. As I'm looking to save the SOP invoice single layout, it is a layout, I will be saving this file within the custom layouts folder. Give the file a name. It must be different to the original file if a file already exists. In this example, I will add my initials to the file name and then select Save. When you have finished amending the layout, save the file again with the same file name. Select Yes to replace the file. To replace the existing layout with your amended layout, select File, Open, then navigate to the location of the layouts. Change the file type as appropriate to C Files. Right-click on the existing file and rename the current version of the layout to Old. Add the date you retired the layout. This will allow you to track older versions of reports and layouts. Right-click on the new version of the file and rename and remove any additional text you added whilst drafting the report. It's a good idea to create a folder to store old layouts, as it can become difficult to find the current versions of files if there are lots of variants within the same location. To create a folder, right-click and select New, Folder, and name the folder Old. To move old files, simply drag and drop the files.